X gonna give it to you. He's gonna give it to you. Adam can't see straight because he's gay. Adam, that's a funny joke.
Not a funny joke.
It's a funny joke.
Not a funny joke.
Adam's gay.
Who's going out tonight then?
Me, you, and Adam. He, Michael Jackson, motherfucker, and Jaffa. He doesn't, lad. He doesn't. Actually, Jaffa's not going out because he's in Reading.
So you like?
Actually, he's not in Reading. He's in LA. Here we go, Galaxy. Here we go. Here we go, Galaxy. Here we go.
He's gonna hate you guys when he watches that.
He'll love us because he'll find it funny and he'll laugh and giggle.
Shine.
You are my sunshine. Andy Barlows for the White Army. Andy Barlows for the White Army.
Yo, dickhead, this car's worth a lot. Smashing the roof like that.
A lot of pretzels.
He went to the left. He went to the right. You're a dick. That boy Gary Harley. He sings boys.
He's better than Steven Gerrard. He's better than Frank Lampard. Tom Bloody Lord.
I love Blizzard.
Go
He's
Snoop!
married to Tom Blizzard.
Blizzard.
He's got kids with the name Blizzard.
He's not got kids.
I love Blizzard. I love Blizzard. He's better than Tom Blizzard. He's windier than Blizzard. He is a Blizzard.
Blizzard involves snow, Adam, not just wind.
He's colder than Blizzard. He's wetter than Blizzard. He's wetter than Blizzard. Oh, Blizzard. Oh, Blizzard. Adam, how many bottles of wine have you had?
And I'd just like to note that I was the runner-up in the Managers Player of the Year.
What about the ones I won?